This is the AOFAR GX2S rangefinder for golf or hunting. It's a super lightweight design, fits perfectly in my hand. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. I'm a golfer, and my opinion is works pretty good. Let me show you how it arrives right here. Inside the package, you're going to get the instructions, a screen cleaner, a super nice case, very sturdy, a wrist strap, a lanyard, and it comes with a battery. And putting the battery in and out is super easy. This I like because it actually has a little flipped up tab right here that makes it easy to grab and unscrew. So what they did is they made a rangefinder that can be used by both golfers and hunters. According to the manufacturer, you can measure from up to about 5 or 6 yards up to around 1,000 yards with 6-time magnification with an accuracy within 1 yard, and it has a nice clear LCD screen on it. Super simple to use. It has 2 buttons. It has the power button and the mode button. When you turn it on with the power button right here, you can hit the other button on top to switch between the 2 modes. It'll blink to let you know which mode was selected, and you'll see it. There's a flag and a little bow on there. And the unit always starts up on the last mode that you left it on, which I like because I'm going to use it only for golf. And maybe one of the cooler features on here is that it has a focus ring on it that can help you dial in the flag or whatever it is you're looking at. And it's pretty awesome because you can use it with one hand. I like that. In golf mode, you can press the mode button on top to switch between yards and meters. You can target the flag and press and hold it for flag lock. It vibrates when you lock onto the flag. I like that. Instant feedback. It will only do flag lock if you're 50 yards out or farther, which is fine, within wedge range. Another cool thing about this is that it has an 8-second timeout on it. So after you lock onto a target, you have 8 seconds before it disappears if you want to take a second look at the yardage. If you want to, you can just point and shoot for a direct line yardage, or you can press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds to activate the slope function. With the slope on, you can lock onto the target and it'll show you the degree of the angle for a second, and then it'll give you the actual yardage with the slope. So I can grab the right club. Now in hunting mode, it'll show you the angle and the horizontal distance when you target a straight line distance. So it's good for if you're up in a tree. I like the fact that it's super lightweight, it's grippy, fits nicely in my hand and in my pocket. And it also fits nicely into the larger cup holder on the Yamaha carts at my local course. Good stuff. AOFAR GX2S Pro rangefinder.